welcome back to my channel. It's me, Diam Jackson, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm so excited because I'm going to be giving you guys some inspo for styling your coffee tables. As you guys seen in my last video, I got new coffee tables for my living room. I think they're so cute and I honestly could not wait to style them. So I thought it'd be a great idea to help you guys also with inspo with styling your own coffee tables. So I'm going to show you first some of the items that I picked up for my coffee table, and then we're going to get right into styling the coffee table. Alright, so let's get started. I just wanted to quickly show you guys the decor items I picked up for the coffee table. Some of this stuff is some stuff I had in the past, and then some stuff is what I just recently bought from the store. So just starting off to my right, I have this cement ball, this wood garland. I got a lot of coffee table books, which is always a necessity when styling a coffee table. I got some vases, some black coasters right there. I got this crystal, this matte black accent, of course some faux stems, and then I also have like a wooden bowl and another wooden tray right there. And then I have some knots, and I also have a candle, which is always essential when styling a coffee table. And then last but not least, I have a wick trimmer and a candle snuffer right there. So these are the items that, like I said, I picked up recently or I already had, and these are what I'm going to use to style my coffee table. So let's get started. All right guys, so before we get started, I wanted to give you guys a view of my living room with my coffee table actually in there. As you guys seen in my last video, I showed you one coffee table, but what I wanted to do, which I have done already, is push my coffee tables together to make it have like a elongated look. And now instead of it just being two squares, obviously it's a rectangle, and this is exactly how I wanted my coffee table to look, so I'm really pleased with it. So before we get started, I'm going to just wipe it off, and then we're going to get to styling it. hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which coffee table styling you like the best down below. I also want to let you guys know that I'm doing my first giveaway. It's going to be a $100 gift card to Home Goods. You'll have to do 3 things to enter. 1 is making sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. 2, head on over to my Instagram page and also follow me there. And then 3, comment down below, hey, I'm a dime. That's what I call my subscribers over here. And then once you're done with that, you're entered into the giveaway. And if you want more than 1 entry, just keep on engaging with me down below. Every comment is an additional entry. So good luck to all the contestants. I will be announcing the giveaway winner on my next video, so make sure you're also tuned in for that. But until next time, thank you guys so much for your continued support and always engaging with me in my comments. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.